Good day. I am Joseph M. Ayala and here our Project 3 or the cyclic group. So, ngayon, pag-aralan natin or i-represent natin yung cyclic group ng flower shape model. So, in cyclic group, we have two conditions. So, una, dapat it is mas abelian. So, kapag sinabi natin abelian, group siya and then commutative din siya. So, pangalawa or the second condition is it must be a generator. So, kapag sinabi natin generator, dapat yung element ng isang subgroup or sa isang subgroup is mayroong element na nage-generate niya lahat ng co-elements niya. So, next slide na tayo. So, we have improper subgroup, proper subgroup, and trivial subgroup. So now, we have our improper subgroup first. So our improper subgroup or M sub 2 is equal to, or M sub 1 rather, is equal to MATHGENIUSROCK24. So, since na-prove na naman na natin na the our improper subgroup is not abelian, not commutative, so it is not abelian. So, therefore, our improper subgroup or our M sub 1, subgroup M sub 1 is not a cyclic group kasi na-violate niya na agad yung condition 1 which is the it must be abelian, it must be an abelian. So, punta na tayo sa proper subgroup. So, first, so proper subgroup natin, we have order of 8, order of 4, order of 2, and yan, order of 2 lang pala, sorry. So, now, we have the M sub 2. Punta muna tayo sa proper sub 8. So, M sub 2, our M sub 2 is equal to MAEGHINT or maeg hint. So, now, it is abelian. So, this subgroup is commutative. So, this is abelian. So, since na-satisfy natin yung condition 1, punta na tayo sa condition 2. So, M is equal to M. So, now, kasi M sub M or M times M is equal to M siya. So, hindi niya na-generate lahat ng elements. So, punta tayo dito sa element A. So, element A, na-generate niya lahat ng element which are the T, H, I, N, E, G, M. So, bakit? Kasi ganito yan. A star A is equal to T. So, tignan natin sa table, A star A is equal to T, A star T is equal to H. So, i-check natin sa table. Then, A star H is equal to I, A star I is equal to N, A star N is equal to E, then A star E is equal to G, and A star G is equal to M. So, na-generate niya lahat ng elements. So, element A is a generator. So, punta tayo sa ibang elements. The element E. So, element E has I or generates ITM. So, hindi niya na-generate lahat. So, element E is not a generator. So, the letter or element G is equal to ENIHTAM. So, na-generate niya lahat. G star G is equal to E. Then, G star E is equal to N. G star N is equal to I. G star I is equal to H. G star H is equal to T. G star T is equal to A. G star A is equal to M. So, double check nyo lang sa table kung sakto ba yung mga result dito. So, since G has si G is na-generate niya lahat ng element, therefore, G is a generator. So, may dalawa na tayong generator. Then, si H, na-generate niya si E, A, I, G, T, and M. Then, si I, na-generate niya naman si M. So, this is not generator, si I. Then, si N, T, G, I, A, E, H, M. So, generator din siya. Then, si T is, I, E, M lang yung na-generate niya. So, subgroup M sub 2 has 1, 2, has 4 generator elements so that na na-satisfy niya rin yung second condition which is dapat merong isang element or isa pataas, isa or more na one or more elements para matawag natin one or more elements na generator para matawag natin na cyclic group. So, therefore, subgroup M sub 2 is a cyclic group. So, next tayo sa M sub 3. So, subgroup M sub 3 is not abelian kasi hindi siya commutative. So, since na-violate niya yung first condition natin which is it must be an abelian, so, therefore, it is not a cyclic group. So, punta na tayo sa next subgroup which is the M sub 4 or the MIET. So, this is mag-start na tayo sa order of 4. So, M sub 4 or subgroup M sub 4 is an abelian. So, nasatisfy niya yung first condition natin. Then, punta na tayo sa second condition which is yung it must be at least one or more generator element. So now, punta naman tayo sa generator nung subgroup M sub 4. So, itong M is automatic, hindi na siya generator kasi M star M is equal to M na rin siya. So, hindi niya na ma-generate yung IET or yung ibang element. So, sa next element tayo which is the T. So, T star T is equal to I. Then, I star T is equal to I star T is equal to E. Then, hindi namali lang ako dito. E yan. Then, E star T is equal to M. So, na-generate niya lahat ng co-elements niya. So, T is a generator. So, yung I, tingnan natin, I star I is equal to M na siya. So, I is not a generator. Then, yung E, na-generate niya yung I, T, and M. So, ilang generator mayroon yung subgroup M sub 4. So, we have 1 and 2. So, we have 2 generators. So, therefore, our M sub 4 is a cyclic group. So, next, our M sub 5 or the MIU4. So, since this table is a commutative, so therefore it is a abelian or it is an abelian. So now, punta na tayo sa condition 2 which is dapat may isang element na ma-generate niya yung co-elements niya. So, dito wala tayong generator dito kasi M star M is equal to M, I star I is equal to M, U star M or U star U is equal to M, then 4 star 4 is equal to M. So, hindi nila na-generate lahat ng mga co-elements nila. So, therefore, this subgroup is not a cyclic group. So M sub 6 or subgroup M sub 6 is isomorphic to our M sub 5. So that this is an abelian group. Then hindi rin to this is not a cyclic group kasi wala rin siyang generator elements kasi isomorphic din talaga siya sa ating M sub 5. So next, here on our subgroup M sub 7. So since this subgroup is an abelian or commutative, therefore this is an abelian group. Though punta na tayo dun sa next condition, which is it must be at least one element that is generator. So M star M is equal to M, not generator. U star U is equal to M. So ito generator to kasi kapag U star M mo na rin siya, babalik na rin siya sa sarili niya. So it is generator. So since all of our order of two subgroups are isomorphic to each other, then all of our order of two are abelian. So now, titignan na lang natin kung masasatisfy ba nila yung second condition nila. So, for our M sub 8, which is the M element M and S. So, M star M is equal to M, S star S is equal to M. So, yung S is a generator. So, therefore, our M sub M is, or M sub 8 is a cyclic group. Then, for our M sub 9, which are M, element M and R. So, M star M is M, not a group, not a generator. Then, R star R is M, this is a generator element. So, M sub 9 is a cyclic group. So, M sub 10 is equal to M and K, element M and K. So, K din yung generator niya, parang sa ating 8 and 9 din. As well as our M sub 11, which is 4 yung generator niya. Then, for our last two subgroups, ayan, isomorphic din tong dalawa kasi order of 2 pa rin naman siya. Then, tulad nga nung last slide, our generator element is I. Then, for our M sub 13, our generator element is 2. Ayan. So that these two elements are cyclic group. So, yun lang muna for today. Thank you for watching.